credu ar y foment mae bod yn diogel ar-lein yn rili yn bwysig. Felly mae'n bwysig nawr i'r disgyblion i deall sut i defnyddio'r we yn diogel ac yn gyfrifol.
As digital leaders, it's our job to make sure everyone in the school knows how to spot a scam.
Look for the padlock and the HTTPS when you're going on websites.
Sometimes like maybe sketchy links or something. And also if it's like too good to be true.
I think my main concern is that content is not filtered enough. So I think it's really important that parents in particular are monitoring the content that comes up online. Ella's table, what's your scam about?
Our scam's about like when a PlayStation 5. We don't think it's true because it says to claim your prize, simply click the link down below.
Diogelwch ar-lein, 10 mlynedd yn ôl, really yn rhywbeth da ni'n trafod yn Ysgol Gynradd, ond nawr mae yna mwy o broses nawr i ysgol fel ni i trafod hynna gyda'r disgyblion. Ac mae cwricwlwm nawr i newid a mae mwy o bwyslais nawr i trafod hynny gyda'r disgyblion.